From your Gmail account, you can send confidential emails that can be opened only with passcode sent by Google and which self-destructs after a specified period. So let's begin the video. First, like any regular email, we need to compose the email by entering the recipient's email address. Add the subject of the email we are sending and the main content of the email in this box. But before sending the email, we need to click this lock icon. Here and in the confidential mode pop-up window, we have two features to set up. First, set the email self-destruct period, and second, activate SMS passcode option. We can set the email expiry period here. After the period ending, the email will self-destruct. Whether the recipient has seen or not seen the email will self-destruct after the period is expired. Next, we need to select this SMS passcode option. With this passcode option, a code will be sent to the email recipient's phone number from Google. They need to enter, after which they will be able to read the email message. When we click Send button, we will be asked to enter the recipient's phone number. And the email has been sent. Next, we can go to the recipient's email account to see how the confidential email is opened. When we open the email in the recipient's email account, we are asked to click the Send Passcode button to get the passcode to the phone number. And once we enter the passcode sent by Google to the recipient's phone, we are able to read the email message. I am hoping this video will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon to get notified when new videos are added to our channel.